Most people just eat passion fruits by itself, but it's actually nice for cooking too. I'm making a passion fruits honey wings. Here's the ingredient list. We need wings, passion fruits, honey, garlic powder, salt and pepper. This is also good with chicken legs. So first, cut the passion fruit into half. And you can see it's really beautiful inside, the orange color, so fresh. And then just use a little spoon to scoop out what's inside and put it with the chicken to marinate it a bit. Actually, how do I come up with this recipe is because RV's passion fruit tree has a lot of fruits, so I have to find a way to use it up. So yeah, just keep scooping. And I used 2 passion fruits in this recipe. So after that, we'll put some salt and pepper in it. Give it a good rub and mix them all together. Put the wings in the pan. As you can see, the skin side facing down first. It takes around 5 minutes for each side to make it golden. So if you think this is burnt, it's actually not. According to our standard, he likes it. So I actually cooked it for a little bit longer. And then you just pour the passion fruits in. And then there's the honey. Just mix them well. Pour everything in the pan. Just mix it. Make sure they're all coated with a thin layer of the sauce, because actually that is the highlight. You can then test if it's cooked by poking it with a chopstick or a skewer. Ta-da! Here you go! Remember to follow my Instagram if you want more fabulous recipes. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Bye!